From prepping to cooking to finishing, fresh prepared foods are the future of food service. And that's what consumers are looking for wherever they grab food away from home. So however you make it, making it authentic, real, and fresh is best. That's why everything we make at Hidden Valley Kitchens is made for fresh. From options with no preservatives to all being gluten-free, Hidden Valley helps you mix things up with the original ranch and America's favorite. Made with a unique blend of herbs and spices and prepared with fresh buttermilk, it's perfect for dipping, tossing, and mixing into your authentic recipes. Give your menu a brush with greatness with authentic KC Masterpiece Premium Barbecue Sauce. With tomato puree and real molasses and no high fructose corn syrup, every batch is crafted to turn pizza, burgers, grilled meats, and more into a big, bold bite. For a refreshing twist on fusion, Soy Vay Very Very Teriyaki Marinade combines ginger, garlic, onion, and soy sauce with no preservatives or high fructose corn syrup. It lets you easily infuse more authentic ethnic flavor across the menu. A staple of kitchens everywhere, Kitchen Bouquet is the true color of culinary. Vegetables, spices, and herbs blend together in a concentrated gluten-free broth and browning sauce to enhance color and flavor in soups, gravies, and sauces. You can easily fire up the flavor with Kingsford, America's #1 charcoal brand. Made with premium wood char and 100% natural, you can create the fresh grilled smoky flavors more consumers are craving in a flash. So whether you grill, saute, toss, top, or serve them on the side, everything we make helps turn fresh preparation into simple perfection. Hidden Valley Kitchens, made for fresh.